Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Taylor Swift nixed $100 million FTX sponsorship deal, a 16Z tweet rallies Optimism's OP token. Taylor Swift grilled FTX about potential securities violations before nixing $100 million deal. Taylor Swift grilled FTX about securities laws prior to turning down a $100 million sponsorship deal, said the lawyer suing celebrity promoters associated with the crypto firm. Attorney Adam Moskowitz is currently suing basketball star Shaquille O'Neal, NFL quarterback Tom Brady, and over a dozen other A-list FTX promoters in a class action lawsuit that alleges they promoted sales of unregistered securities. Moskowitz said his evidence shows that pop star Swift specifically asked FTX whether or not the products she would potentially promote could be classified as unregistered securities. The one person I found that did that was Taylor Swift. In our discovery, Taylor Swift actually asked them, "Can you tell me that these are not unregistered securities?" Moskowitz said. SEC Chair Gensler avoids calling ETH a security while under Republican microscope. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler avoided calling Ethereum's Ether token a security on Tuesday, while doubling down on his agency's designation of most crypto tokens as securities. In a Tuesday session, the House Financial Services Committee's Republican Chair Patrick McHenry and other Republican lawmakers grilled Gensler on a range of topics such as securities laws, stablecoin legislation, and the SEC's handling of exchange FTX prior to its collapse. Throughout the battery of questions, Gensler asserted that the SEC should control the lion's share of the digital assets market. Optimism's OP token rallies on mysterious A16Z tweet. Layer 2 blockchain Optimism's OP token rallied following a tweet of an orange circle by an engineer at VC firm Andreessen Horowitz, a 16Z. The circle in the tweet, attached to the phrase "coming soon," is reminiscent of the blue circle tweet made by exchange Coinbase earlier in the year, when the company teased its upcoming base Layer 2 network. Following the A16Z tweet, the company's crypto CTO Eddie Lazarin tweeted an orange circle emoji, with the words "not an L2" attached. A16Z led a funding round of $150 million for blockchain Optimism in March of last year. VC firm Tribe Capital may take a stab at rebooting FTX. A venture capital firm that lost big in the FTX collapse of 2022 may try to help seed a reboot of the company, according to reports. Tribe Capital, a firm with investments in a range of crypto companies such as Kraken and Polygon Labs, has upwards of $1.6 billion in assets. Sources say the VC firm will look at taking the reins on a $250 million raise for FTX, of which $100 million would come from Tribe and partners. Price prediction. Optimism price today is $1.421683 with a 24-hour trading volume of $456.71 million, market cap of $305.30 million, and market dominance of 0.03%. The OP price increased 1.24% in the last 24 hours. Optimism price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 2, 2023 at 1500 hours, the general Optimism price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 9 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 20 signaling bearish signals. OP price prediction was last updated on June 2, 2023 at 1500 hours. Optimism key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $1.395931, Optimism has support levels of $1.362932, $1.338396, and the strongest at $1.305398. Similarly, Optimism resistance levels are at $1.420467, $1.453465, and $1.478001. Optimism reached its highest price on February 24, 2023, when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.26, while Optimism's lowest price was recorded on June 18, 2022, when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.401121. The lowest price since its ADH was $1.348410, cycle low. The highest OP price since the last cycle low was $1.437700, cycle high. The Optimism price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Optimism's current circulating supply is 214.75 MOP out of max supply of 4.29 BOP. In terms of market cap, Optimism is currently ranked number 7 in the Layer 2 sector. Optimism is currently trading below the 200-day Simple Moving Average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 15 days, since May 17, 2023. The price of Optimism is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 42 days, since April 21, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 158 days ago, on December 26, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on January 12, 2023, which was 141 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Optimism's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $1.869988 by July 2, 2023. Optimism's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $1.357451 by July 2, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 29.84, which indicates that the OP market is in an oversold position. The RSI indicator suggests that the price of OP will decrease. According to our current Optimism price prediction, the value of Optimism is predicted to drop by -15.69% and reach $1.197211 by June 7, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Optimism recorded 11/30ths, 37%, green days with 9.95% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Optimism forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Optimism. Comparing Optimism against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Optimism price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Optimism price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, OP price prediction for year 2026 is $42.36 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Optimism would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $4.86. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.